We're gonna go live na.
Mm.
Sure.
Okay.
Ayan pa yung FB. Twitch?
Twitch is also, yeah. Twitch.tv/jam883.
Ay, ba't ako yun naman? Lagi
Sagat natin si Miss
Things
Sen.
I do not know. Yung mga Twitch na yan.
Ako din.
Streaming platform.
Normally for,
Actually, it's for
ano yun,
community building. Yan. For, for
gamers.
gaming. Yung mga serious streamers. Pero for community talaga siya eh.
Facebook, I don't even open anymore.
The last 2 minutes.
Go lang.
2 minutes okay pa.
Ano yan? TikTok?
TikTok.
Okay.
Hey!
Live ba yan?
Live yan. So, saan yung FB live? Dito yung Kiro?
Sa 89 point. Ayan
89.
o.
Facebook.
883. Facebook/jam883/883.
Kasi baka may mga comment questions na naman.
May mga nagko-comment questions ba?
May nagpo-phone in.
Oh my gosh.
Minsan nga, ano yung kinakain yung airtime.
Oo.
Pero okay lang naman.
Nahiya ako kay Miss Roy kasi baka mag-overtime eh pagka may tumatawag.
Yung barkada ko nga, parang makikinig kami. Kami yung magtatanong, parang don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Ako hindi ko sinishare sa mga ano sa FB ko.
Dapat pala tinatag kita.
Gagi. Tapos nung weekend,
Wala, manggugulo lang yung friends ko. Two of them are not even like employees. Mga freelance naman yan. Wala naman alam sa mga...
ano ba, nag-FB live ka na ba, Ro?
Yeah, it's already live.
Ay, kala ko Twitch yan. Ano ba? Dito na ako.
No,
Both.
the Twitch camera is there.
Okay.
And they can't hear us. Here.
Sorry.
Yung live yung narinig tayo right now. Twitch only hears us when the mics are on.
Mm-hmm.
Parang start ako sa Twitch eh. The Twitch audience are mostly OFWs talaga eh. Mga Canada,
Saudi.
Saudi,
Mm-mm.
US. So, Haggard na. Haggard yung makasabay ako. Ako Las Piñas. Kasi yung mga roll call.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wala naman.
Jam 88.3, that is My Chemical Romance with Cancer, and on top of that is 30 Seconds to Mars Attack, and we kick things off with some Cage the Elephant, Ain't No Rest for the Wicked, and that is absolutely right, ain't no rest for the wicked. And you know what, it is a Monday all over again. Hopefully you're not having some Monday blues, but if you are, hey, this is what we do after Office Kwentuhan starts right about now. We got Eric and Lai and their special guest for today, Nina Malotto. Good evening, guys.
Hey, good evening.
Happy rainy evening.
Happy rainy evening. All right, I hope you missed us. We've been gone for like
2
what?
weeks.
2 weeks.
We're
Yeah,
out
we've been
for
gone
2
for 2 weeks. So sorry guys, had to make way for the election.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the first one was elections, and then the next one.
Because I
We
wasn't
had
here.
Oh, yeah, okay,
we were in an
okay.
event. All right. So tonight we're diving into the unspoken tug of war between management, HR, and staff. So our topic for today is management
Bashing.
versus HR versus staff. Ay, walang bashing ha. Walang
Just
bashing
kidding.
guys ha. But before anything
No
else,
bashing. Tama yun.
yeah,
That's
let's introduce our guest, Miss Nina.
Hi,
away.
good evening. Happy to be here.
All right.
Hopefully I make some sense tonight.
Yes. Miss Nina is the HR manager for Bueller. Bueller.
I hope you pronounced it right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
That's
It's
right.
a Swiss company. So medyo mahirap siya i-pronounce. Yeah, it's Bueller.
It's Bueller.
Okay.
Correct.
Na-stress ako sa ng very, very sorry.
Ano ba yung options mo to pronounce it?
Ay, huwag na. Sige.
So he had calls you there parang
Ay.
your company.
Baller. Usually people call it baller.
Nalusot ko na si Miss Ro talaga eh. Okay, so to
Ay,
start,
sabihin eh.
so the juiciest part muna. So, What's the messiest management versus staff situation have you ever experienced? Or even management versus HR or staff versus HR?
Messy na juicy usually has something to do with personal life.
Um,
When, because people have natural interest sa yung mga gory details of people's personal lives, but um, office affairs. I mean, that of course, definitely involving a boss and staff. So may ganyan.
Very
However,
juicy nga.
however, that doesn't really play so much into yung HR versus management versus staff. That, in that way, I would say probably pag may reorg or restructure and there are people whose jobs are affected.
Right. I think that's what we're aiming for.
Yes.
Oo, di ba?
Unless gusto mo marinig yung
chismis.
ano.
Oo,
Chismis.
So,
Tapos nakikinig,
sige, since I think the office affair, it's juicy.
yun talaga, No, but yun, if for me, yung tatlong parties talaga have heavy involvement, it would be pag may restructuring or reorganization, which means that there are people who lose their jobs. Because that's heavy. That really
Yeah, it is
affects
naman.
livelihood.
Mhm.
That affects futures.
Mm.
And a lot of emotions.
Pero may ano yan lang, di ba? Yung parang last pay. Ano ba tawag sa ganun? Redundancy pay.
Of course. Legally, by law, we are
Mm.
required to pay, 1 month salary for
For
every year of service.
no?
Meron naman. So, even if,
Grabe, pwede na yun.
Grabe.
ay, kung 2 years ka lang, di pa
Ayun, hindi na pwede yun.
So, even if there's termination pay, having to deal with yung emotions ng employees na affected. Because usually, employees, they think about themselves. Syempre,
Mhm.
their future.
Yeah.
O, paano na? What's gonna happen to me? How am I gonna pay for bills and, feed my family? Management, a lot of the time when this happens, I'm not saying it's 100% of the time, but minsan kasi when management decides to, sometimes the intention might not be completely
Mhm.
altruistic. A lot of the time, I have been in situations where yung intention ng managers more of pasikat to show like, we're valuable. We're taking care of the finances of ganyan, but it's actually only also to promote
Themselves.
themselves.
Mm.
So I mean, there is that aspect.
So as HR, Miss Nina,
Yeah, as HR.
Are you
where
ano
do you
ba?
sit?
No.
It's
More
the
than
hardest
that,
thing. It's the hardest thing.
Is it ano po ba? Are you part of the decision making with the manager who's gonna stay and who's gonna be, terminated?
In some cases, yes. In some cases, no.
Has there been an instance where in paper this person shouldn't be terminated, but then again the manager is pushing for termination for this one because he wants
I'm
this.
very, very lucky. I have
Interesting
not been in
to
that
Ah,
situation.
talaga?
I'm very
Okay,
lucky.
okay.
I know that some HR professionals have had to deal with that. For me, no. Hindi naman.
Okay.
Yung parang purely politics.
I came across something like that.
Oh.
It was very
okay, you're gonna
intriguing.
spill the tea. When we come back, we've got more of juicy stuff. But in topic, here is Jill Sobule with "I Kissed a Girl" on GM 88.3, where
Buti
everything
na lang ang
goes.
dami kong
Ano yun?
dami kong company. Hulaan yung sando.
Ako hindi masyado. Pero yung affair na yan, common siya talaga.
It's very common. Yeah.
No, but yung the one with the boss and the staff, I mean, that was tough. Kasi, syempre yung integrity, di ba?
Mm.
Yung mga tao parang nawalan ng, people lose trust
We
in
should
them.
talk about that on air. Kasi
Yeah.
it's a very hot topic. It
Mhm.
happens everywhere.
Siyempre, chismis is di ba? But,
And every company, I think, may ganyan eh. So,
Oo.
Oo naman.
ang sa bagay, bawal nga kasi yun eh. Kasi ano siya pangalan nito?
Yeah,
Yung-
that's like sexual harassment because someone is in a position of power.
Right.
So even if it's consensual,
Mm,
may power dynamic na hindi balance.
true.
Was there
Plus
an
may conflict of
instance,
interest pag same team pa sila. So,
like yung asawa sumusugod, may mga ganun.
Ay, may ganyan
ba?
na. Yes, I've had to deal with that.
Oh my God! Very, ano ah.
Eto, antihistamine para sa kate! I'm like, I mean, hindi naman sa akin, of course not me, but parang sa harap ko, parang,
But
kasi yung mga
Chill, chill
lalaki,
lang tayo,
hindi
chill,
naman
chill.
gwapo.
you only get to know this
Gusto yun.
when the situation arises. It's
Yeah,
already
yeah.
there.
Yeah. Meron din one time yung wife was looking for me and everyone was like, pinapagkamalan ba niya na si Nina yung may affair sa husband niya? Na hindi naman, nagmamakaawa siya. Kasi hindi na sila sinusustentuhan. So I've been,
Ah.
That's fine.
ang dami, like mga affairs I've had.
Ay, BPOs yan.
No!
No?
I've never been in a BPO.
Ah, really?
No.
Mas grabe ata sa BPO.
Kaya nga eh.
I
Kasi
suppose.
para silang high school.
Kasi
They're
mas
all
madami.
together.
They have their
in a
own
small
little
group.
world.
Every day they see each other and then yeah.
Diba?
Yeah, actually, have you heard the news like years ago pa?
Sykes ba yun yung binaril?
You don't say
Oh,
that. Yeah, the name of the that BPO, yung pumunta
Binaril.
yung husband sa floor, and then bang.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hindi kasi killing only ever has two motives. Diba?
Mhm.
Love or money
Mm.
lang yan.
Power.
Well, yeah.
Oh, pero telenovela ka.
Power.
Telenovela. Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yung ganun. Pero telenovela. Nakakatawa, no? Actually, ay mamaya na. Pero for me, I don't know if this would be considered as HR versus management versus staff. Sa BPO, it happens parang a certain team leader, there are I'm not saying all ha. I'm not saying all. There are team leaders, there are several agents who are late. But there's always this one agent na will always get the memo despite others doesn't get the memo.
I wouldn't know.
ano
you
na
would
opposite
know
naman
better.
yun. So yun yung parang targeted. But why?
Yeah, so of course, an agent kasi hindi ako I've
As
experienced it
HER,
as
yes.
ER.
Mm.
Yun yung sinasabi, well, in my past life, like ages ago, I was an ER for
Couple of years.
couple of years ago when I
he
was
my
still
teammate
fresh.
Before.
when you were still fresh.
Yes.
Then I realized, oh my God, it's so hard. Ganun eh. Kasi, you have to reconcile that. So, the agent said, bakit ako lang yung may memo? Bakit si ganito wala?
Mm.
I don't know. Because on my end, I'm only getting the report from management.
Yan pala.
And then, I'd go back to the team leader. Bakit hindi mo, but you're not upfront. Hindi mo
Mm.
pinapakita yung
Yeah.
So kami naman mag-aaway ng team leader. But then again, at that time, we were only, lang tayo nun eh.
22
Associate.
years old.
Fresh. Associate eh. Ano yan? Ay, Coheed and Cambia.
No, this one.
Ah.
Ikaw yun, di ba? No?
Oo. Choy. So, di ba, parang walang visibility si HR really. So, ano yun, you take it face value when management says, hey, paki-terminate to. Ito na yung mga email ko.
Actually, yun yung dyan namin, di ba? Parang is HR just doing what the business is saying? Or?
Depende sa HR practitioner.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you have to know your shit.
Yep, that's right. But in your case,
So far in my case, kaya ko kasi awayin yung mga boss ko.
Hindi mo siya ili, no? Doon sa
just
mic
what's,
stand.
hindi ko mababasa kasi
Mm.
Rui. Alam mo naman, I'm old.
Pero, actually, yun eh. what's the friction between, of course, not everybody started as a manager
Yeah,
kagad
yeah.
eh.
Mm.
How did you manage, hindi ko na naman to i-ano later pagka naka-live na, but how did you manage, navigating through that? Because especially if you're an associate, then you're gonna be butting heads with the team leader or a manager of this
Ayan,
particular
we're gonna go live
department.
now.
Okay.
Mm,
So
mm,
later.
Jamming
So later.
8.3, that is Cynthia Alexander with Daisy Chain, and on top of that is Jill Sobule, I Kissed a Girl. Welcome back to A-OK.
All right. So
Is our
going,
audio okay? I think
yeah.
we're good.
Maybe
would-
that one, bring it down,
Oh
because
my
that's another
God.
mic.
This I didn't know.
Yeah. Pero bansin, malakas naman yung mga boses niyo.
We
eh.
should be
Ah,
good.
Sometimes kasi
that's
pag
bad.
medyo mahina yung boses, I really
Okay.
ask them to come closer to the mic.
So we good?
But right now, all of us have very
Hindi
loud
kami
voices.
mahihain.
Alright,
Ah.
let's do this. Okay.
Okay. By the way, for those who are joining us on Twitch and on Facebook Live, feel free to drop in your questions or your comments. We have a question for the listener. So, sa tingin nyo, kanino kadalasan kampi ang HR? Type 1 for management, type 2 for staff, or type 3 for neutral?
Depende sa HR to.
Ah,
This is so HR dependent.
talaga?
Oo.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Oo. And a lot of the time also I would say, because you only look at it, that's what I tell people, you see it from your point of view. But me, that I see this, you have no idea how hard it is.
Are you in liberty to disclose that to both parties?
It depends on what it specifically is about.
Let's say the first scenario that we have, like losing jobs na, cutting down jobs. Kasi it's very emotional di ba? Especially for the staff na mawawala ng work.
In such cases, I personally prefer to be as transparent as possible.
Right.
How management arrived at that decision, what are the things that we took a look at before we got there. Even sometimes I find it helps when I share with people as well my own emotional, the deliberations na I do not mind showing them that it's hard for me as well. I don't mind showing them that I'm emotional. Also, of course, syempre, no hysterics.
Mm.
But they also have to understand, kasi ang like ko sinasabi, HR kasi, H stands for human. So that should always be the number one thing that guides. I mean, yes, we're all employed by business. We are here to make money. The business and us, we're here to earn our salaries. The business has to make money. 'Di ba? Yung the term nga na it's a business, not a charity, 'di ba?
Yes.
But yung human has to be at the middle of that. So I always tell people emotions are fine. Like it's normal. You don't need to suppress it. But the way that you express it just has to be within the parameters still of what is respectful, of what
Respectful.
is professional. Always have that in mind because you are operating on, based on your own emotions, but you're also talking to people who, well, they also are humans. They also have their own thought process
Right.
and their own emotions. So, and always, ang funny because when people behave a certain way, I always think, what kind of a childhood did this person have kaya?
Very
Oo,
sad.
I really go into that. Oo.
Ano ba ako?
Meron kasi pag masyado siyang mabilang, then I'm like, ano ba kaya siya? Growing up, what type of an... Because that influences how we behave, how we see things.
Right.
But what's the main clash between management and HR? What's the
Management,
number
a
one
lot of the
thing?
time, wants to take care of the business side. And they expect HR to just, do what needs to be done. So as HR, you have to, as I said, you have to know the law. You have to know your stuff very, very well so that you can defend it.
And
As
what's
it-
humane, no?
What's you mean? And not just, paano ba? Parang, you also have to have your own opinion. You also have to have your own stand on things. And yung bottom line lang, if it's something that's really unethical or illegal, then that's, where
Right,
you...
right, definitely.
I have been somewhere na, yeah, there was something illegal going on and I left. But at the end of the day, as HR kasi, then there has to really be that balance. You are an employee of the business, but you also have to take care of a lot of it is emotional well-being of people. So it's a lot of, I'm not very religious, but a lot of the time, I'm Catholic, I'm not religious at all. A lot of the time, I pray to the Holy Spirit, yung parang please guide what comes out of my mouth,
Mhm,
what I
mhm.
say, what I do, because these are humans with feelings. And I don't want to say the wrong thing that will be hurtful, or yung impact kasi niyan eh. You say 2 sentences and sa'yo wala lang.
And that's a
But
skill
then for
also,
them,
eh,
parang
no?
2 days na parang, oh, she said that to me. Like,
Oo. Skill din yun eh.
So,
Positive scripting.
taking yung, the interests of the business. How do you
Yeah,
make
yeah.
it, how do you communicate it in such a way to the employees that will be easier for them to
Right,
to
right.
accept?
Mm-mm.
Mahirap siya. I've lost a lot of sleep over...
And that's the job.
And
That's the job of
diba?
HR. So, hindi naman din talaga madali.
No, because let's face it, nowadays, if you go through TikTok, Facebook, a lot of reels, a lot of videos has been posted over the internet saying that, HR is not your friend. HR is ganito,
Actually, I
ganyan,
really resent that.
Okay, go.
I see that a lot.
Yeah.
Yung parang HR is not your friend. And maybe there are certain HR people who are like that. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. I see it a lot on LinkedIn, actually. I see it a lot on LinkedIn.
Yeah, but
HR is
even
not
on
your
TikTok.
friend.
Even
And
on
that can be a
TikTok.
bit hurtful kasi parang here I am trying to balance
True.
both sides. Because yun nga, you're in the middle. So you have to balance the emotional side ng employees, the business side from management. HR is not your, well, actually HR is nobody's friend, to be very honest.
Yes, that's true also.
Because it's hard if you're HR and you want to be friends
Mm.
with people, parang
You would have a
madadali ka
bias,
talaga,
eh, no?
yeah.
Oo, eh.
and
Oo.
it will make things harder for you if you want to become friends with people.
Actually, I'm curious kasi sometimes, di ba,
I
if
mean,
you...
cordial is not being friendly.
Professional,
right?
yeah, professional.
Professional.
Caring
Even
for
fun,
people.
eh. Yeah?
Oo.
Even fun is not
But
being
you always still have,
friendly.
look, you have to care for people.
Uh-huh.
Really, genuinely as human beings. But it's hard if you go have yung very personal friendships with them.
Right,
That's also
right,
hard
right.
because then they expect
Oo.
When
sometimes things
boundaries
from
are
you.
crossed, then
Yeah.
it's difficult to
Yeah.
go back to
Yes,
where you need to be.
Yeah.
Correct. Is it
True.
sad? No,
Hey, HR ka naman before.
No, that was before.
No,
That was before.
Is it sad? I would say like the company that I'm in now, I've been here for 9.5 years.
Mm.
My office friend is the finance director, so she knows, of course, everything that's going on.
Mm.
If not for her, I'm not sure I'd still be, because you need to have that confidante.
Mm.
Yes.
Because when you need to talk about the heavy things at work, it has to be somebody at a certain level that you can discuss the confidential side, but while at the same time not violating any, diba? These are conversations you cannot have with employees. These are conversations you cannot have with your boss as well.
Mhm.
Palit kayo ng finance director.
So-
You give me info, I give you
Hindi naman.
Just kidding lang.
Yeah, but the dynamics kasi, basically, we know everything that goes on.
Mhm.
So you do need somebody to confide in, because if you don't, it gets sad and lonely.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll be back with more of AOK after Indio Eyes Earth to Man on Jam 88.3, where everything rocks.
All right, no, because
Ako lang ang kino-confide.
Kailangan.
Napaka-ano ko.
Kung wala,
Napaka-nonchalant.
kung wala siya, this person, like I would.
oo.
Kasi
Like when
kapag
we
wala
found
kang
out, for
confident,
example,
ano
that
ka
we
lang,
were-
log
when we
in,
found-
log out.
Oo.
And ma-burnout ka, right?
Oo.
Burnout ka.
burnout.
And sa HR kasi hindi pwede na parang robot ka lang. Cannot be. Like there has to be a lot of emotional investment.
Mhm.
Hindi pwedeng basta magpe-payroll ka lang.
Yeah.
Cannot be.
Tama ka dun, Miss Nina, yung care factor is the big part. You don't
You
really
have
have
to
to be
care.
friends with everyone.
Mahirap.
But you should care for the business, you should care for the people, management.
As a
no?
human being.
Have
Parang,
you ever
Right.
terminated or fired someone that you're not really super close as in BFF, but you feel for that person like you have a certain
oo naman.
part of relationship,
Oo
you feel
naman.
connection.
Oo naman.
Mm.
That
Yes.
you have to serve the paper na, okay, you have so many memos na from your manager, here's your
That
termination.
can actually make it a little bit
Talaga eh.
easier.
Ah,
Because you don't have to be too technical when you explain things. You can appeal to the more human side.
ooh.
There is
Basta may evidence ka naman eh.
Yeah. It's
Mm.
ano naman, it's due process, so it's not like hindi niya alam na parating yun, di ba?
Correct. Actually, yun nga, just to sound off, di ba, parati dun sa mga LinkedIn, and these are already established influencers, HR influencers, former practitioners for X number of years that they're advocating, no, don't talk to HR. No, ganyan,
Really?
ganyan. Yeah.
But yeah, I think I saw some posts in TikTok that says the same thing.
Well, HR is
Ganun.
not your friend
Mhm.
in the
Mm,
sense na mahirap because nga of the boundaries.
Mm.
But HR should care about you.
Right.
So, what can the staff share to HR? What boundaries
Actually, you
should
can
not
share
be
anything.
crossed?
Mahirap lang if you ask me for help sa personal side.
Oh.
Utang.
Hindi naman.
Pautang,
hindi
Miss
naman.
Nina.
Ang mga nag-resign na ng utang sa akin, meron. Meron situation. No, but like, for example nga, common yung relationship problems.
Yeah.
And that's beyond
Aha.
Sobra
my...
naman na yun.
Oo. That's
Oo.
beyond my scope. Na.
Right.
Even legally, I cannot interfere. Because the employment contract is between the company and the employee, not the company and the significant other.
Ba yan?
With that, may mga ano ba, may mga kinakausap kayo na parang, or they opened up that thing, Miss Nina, I'm seeing this person, kaya lang I'm married eh.
Hindi, yung
Do you believe in the power of
usually,
love?
no, actually usually yung nangungulit, yung naghahabol sa HR, yung the spouse that's being cheated on.
What do they want to happen?
I don't know, probably for me to set their partner straight. And I'm like,
Wow.
sorry, but
Therapist ka pa, no?
hindi, usually ganyan. Yun nga, like, hindi na
Naging therapist.
pinapadalhan. Or magtatanong, like, my partner has not been home in X number of months. So, is he really
Yeah,
on
do that.
assignment in...
They're
Ganitong
trying to
lugar.
clarify
Okay,
if
clarify
they were
lang.
lies or if they're yung mga
Yes.
overtime ako, I have work, business
Yeah.
trip, diba? Yung mga
Business
ganon,
trip.
oo.
Yes.
Is HR liable to
Can
divulge?
you
Yeah.
divulge?
If
the-
it's an official work schedule, I do. Because it's officially, like, I can say, yes,
May
he's
documentation.
really, deployed for X number of months
Mm.
to this place. But beyond that, 'di ba? Parang okay, like you talk to the person. I can tell you yes, he's at work, but that's it. Meron pa nga one time na he's not my husband. He's not picking up my calls. My son needs to be picked up from the from school. I'm like, secretary.
Okay. Grabe na yun.
And like, your husband is with customers. Like,
he's
no.
working. Right. Ano to,
Text
S?
him. He's not picking up your calls because he is working.
Yung, ano to, SM? Yung parang,
Yung-
pag may nawawalang bata.
Oh, di ba,
Paging
paging?
system?
Paging.
System.
Yeah, so like,
Ang funny naman.
ano ba ako dito? Wala na sa job description ko to ah.
Correct. So, parang, if that happens, like, they're verifying na, is my husband or is my spouse seeing this employee of yours?
I
Cannot?
usually no, no, because the one time that I was asked that, I couldn't verify with certainty. Like,
Mm.
I was being honest. I was
Mhm.
like, I'm sorry, I don't know the answer to that.
Mhm.
You have to have the conversation with your husband, not me.
Ayun yung mahirap eh, no? Is there is HR legally obliged? Or, sorry ma'am.
I don't
Legally
think
ba
so.
o morally?
No, no, no.
I don't think naman.
Legally, no.
Legally, no. No. Oh.
Ano question ako dyan?
Oh.
Wait lang. Ito. Live na lang.
Okay.
Sayang eh.
Sige, sige.
Let's go.
Alamig.
No, kasi di ba? Ano siya eh. Sometimes kasi I watch a lot of clips.
Telenovela.
Clips
Akala-
lang naman.
Akala ko K-drama.
Hindi ako naman para
Me
nakita.
too.
Pero they're asking, di ba, parang sometimes they report it sa let's say in a certain show, and then the show calls the HR of this company. They involve the HR of the company. So is that why? Is that even proper or legal or
I don't know. Because most of the
It's
time,
very
there's like a legal
sensational,
department.
ano na
No?
lang
Pero
yun
pag
eh.
wala, it's automatically HR. Di ba, there
But-
are companies that have corpcom.
Uh-huh.
But shows
there's
do that
legal.
just to be sensational.
Right,
for
right.
sensationalization?
Yeah,
But in the absence of a corpcom, in the absence of a legal department, HR.
Pero usually ako, in cases where the
Mm.
wife bugs me to ask, I really, natawagan ko talaga yung empleyado. Parang, huy!
Oo naman, oo naman. Oo.
And we are back after Office Kwentuhan is getting juicier and juicier, talking about one of the most common problems when dealing with human resources and employees is relationship dilemma. Right?
Yes.
Most in particularly those that involve a love triangle of some
Oh my
sort.
gosh.
So, hello. So, we were talking with Nina earlier off air, and I thought my question would be: so let's say, for example, there is a relationship between, for example, a boss and then someone who is, their ano tawag doon pag mas mababa sa'yo?
Subordinate.
Subordinate,
Subordinate,
yeah.
right? What happens then? Like, obviously, it's not moral to have relationships usually at work,
Yes.
or is that something where some companies can say no, it's okay?
It should not be okay.
It should not be okay.
It should not be okay.
So this is a universal like HR policy.
We actually have laws against that, which it falls under sexual harassment. The sexual, I don't know the exact, like RA, whatever, but it falls under sexual harassment because if one of the people in the relationship has a higher
position,
position
of
or
power.
is able to exercise influence over the other
Mhm.
person in the relationship, there's an imbalance. The dynamics, it's not they're not on equal footing.
Right.
So even if, let's say, even if you are attracted to your boss and you decide like, yeah, okay, you have to consider the the implication.
Mhm.
If the other person says no,
Mm.
the other person of the higher position can have influence na, okay, then you're gonna lose your job if
Mhm.
you refuse me. Or if, let's say, it's okay at first and then at some point,
Mhm.
parang, okay, you decide to break up or you don't want to be with the other person anymore, the possibility of backlash from the person
Mhm.
using his or her power and influence that puts you at a disadvantage.
Okay, so how do you resolve that
Yeah,
issue?
that's my next
Do you
question.
then require them to make a decision and say if you two must be together, one of you has to go?
Yes.
Really? Is a
Typically, yes.
transfer also an
Typically,
option?
it depends on how big the company is.
Uh-huh.
Transfer can be an
Physically
option.
transfer to another location
Department
maybe.
or-
Location
no,
or department,
Another job function
Mhm.
where there's no more influence over the
Mm.
other, like
Okay.
the jobs
Different
that you
departments
do.
not
Can-
connected.
Mhm.
Okay.
But like if you're HR or finance,
Yeah.
you cannot have a
Di
relationship
pa
with
din,
anyone.
but is there a case wherein the resolution was to transfer someone to another department? Or
Me,
more often
personally,
than
I
not?
haven't.
I don't know.
In my experience, the other person left.
Okay.
Oh,
What about
Which is
bullying?
the faster option.
bullying.
Bullying. Office bullying.
I have, okay, I'm really fortunate. I
Mm.
haven't had to handle any extreme cases. Mga minor lang, like, just not so nice words. I don't know if you can say it on air, but
Mhm.
ganun lang. So, complaining, like, this person called me TANGA or whatever.
Ah,
And usually,
okay.
it can be resolved with just
Mm.
conversations. And sometimes, it's like, parehas naman kaming lalaki. Parang, it was said in good fun. Na-hurt pala siya, stuff like that. But nothing too major. I'm very, very lucky and I'm very thankful.
Okay.
But I have had to counsel somebody about that. In the
Mhm.
end, the person also left.
Mm.
Because sometimes it's not worth also staying.
For your
The
well-being,
mental,
diba?
yeah.
True. Okay, so since HR is not your friend really, it's nobody's friend talaga, right? So, just a quick question lang. Was there an incident that you were able or you had to defend something that you're not 100% agreeing to?
Of course. Of course. In that case, I don't know.
Interview
Then
pala, no?
I just don't, I guess, explain it as well
So-
as I would if I actually believed in what I was saying.
Okay, so we've established that HR is nobody's friend, but then
Grabe naman.
again,
Nobody's friend.
But is HR leaning towards? Because I know the next question of the viewers would be asking is HR really leaning towards management or staff?
I would say it depends on the situation.
Depends on the
Mm.
situation.
Because in any given situation, diba, parang there's somebody who's more, parang a lot of the time, it's never completely 50-50.
Right.
So it depends on
Disagreement
the,
is part of it, you know.
it depends on the situation. There are certain situations where HR might lean towards, the employees, for example, if they also feel like management is being unfair,
Mhm.
or if they feel like what management is deciding is completely okay and completely warranted. For example, imposing policies, for example, and people, don't like it or because change it makes people feel uncomfortable. So then it's your job to explain it and try to make people see the merits of a certain decision.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah. Yes.
What happens if an employee hits on the boss? This happens.
Uh-huh.
It does.
Tapos
A
ano,
lot.
Other way around,
And the
no?
boss is like, are you sure? But then if something goes wrong, all of a sudden the boss is the big bad monster.
Correct.
So
True,
what
true.
happens with that? Because that's more common than not. Diba?
Is it common?
Is it? Oh, you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised how
It
common
does happen.
it is.
It does
It does
happen.
happen, yes,
oo
yes,
nga.
And then of course now the
Other
boss
way
is like,
around.
well, okay, yeah, you're cute. Why not? But he's not the one aggressing. But then somebody makes a move on the boss.
But that's why you shouldn't, because then that other person can use it against you.
Yeah. So like, what's in an HR stance? I mean, like, do you need like, does the boss need to resign, or does the girl need to resign, or
I
what?
would say, for me, in such a situation, I'd get upset with the boss first. Like, you are the boss.
You
You
should,
should
know
know
better.
better.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Because in the
Really?
situation that I was so disappointed. I would,
You know what? I can imagine somebody who works under you, and you like them, and
So
then.
Rob, you should know better.
Well, I've never done that. You know what I mean? I'm just asking on behalf of all bosses out there.
hypothetical lang.
Because the bosses are still human too, di ba?
Just to be clear, it's just a hypothetical
Ah,
question.
yeah,
It is,
yeah.
it is. Oo naman.
Then bosses who like prey on their workers should be shot. But I mean, like when the boss is the prey, di ba? They usually caught off guard. Imagine like.
Mahirap
Yeah.
maging masyadong pogi.
Oh, exactly. Imagine how many dudes would work under Roanne if like, so you want to get coffee after this? Di ba? Oh, Shambos! Oh, ano? Di ba?
Teka, sa akin yung sabi.
Di ba? It makes sense. So we have to understand what the rules are.
Oo nga naman, paano kung girl
But
yung
the
boss,
responsibilities
no?
with the boss.
It's with the boss.
Yes,
because
yes,
no,
that's right,
because
that's right.
you're the one. Ikaw
In
yung
power.
pwedeng kasuhan.
Mm.
At the end of it
Right,
all,
right.
it's the boss who has the legal ano
The
ba, yung
Berlin,
legal repercussions
Mm-mm.
would fall on the boss.
So you'd have to ask, put it in writing. Like, are you aware that you are the one asking me? to put
You
this
should.
document?
HR should do that.
Ah,
HR should, because there are laws nga on sexual harassment.
so it should
there
be
are laws.
documented, no?
Yeah.
But then again, if you're the boss, you shouldn't.
There was a movie like that with Michael Douglas and
Yes.
what's her name? Demi Moore.
Demi Moore.
This, was it a Deception or something?
No,
he was the boss.
Baka I wasn't born yet.
No, you were also old. I was born. You know what I mean? But he was the boss, and then she aggressed on him.
Yes, bordering to obsess na nga. eh.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you know, the door swings.
yan?
It's check it out. Check it out.
Iniisip ko nga eh.
Because sometimes it make from the boss's point of view, it makes them attractive because they're the boss.
Mhm.
And if
Yeah,
I
yeah,
resign
yeah.
for the girl, all of a
Sometimes
sudden I'm
really
not attractive anymore. All right.
Correct, correct.
Come on. in.
Hi, sorry, good to see you.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Hi.
Ang galing nga nun, no?
Hello.
So it's a good question, no? If
The other way
there's-
around.
pero then again, at the end of the
Yes,
day,
answer.
you're the
Yay!
boss,
Okay,
so
I
you're
got it.
responsible.
Right, you should know
You
better.
should know better.
Mama, I
And
miss
then
you.
not,
May training.
not just responsible, but legally culpable ka.
And if you think about it, it always affects the business at the end of the day. Kasi, syempre, conflict of interest for
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
you
yeah,
know. Plus, of course, the other things like legal, moral, etc. But yes, also it's conflict of
But
interest.
why would you want to put yourself in a situation where life becomes more complicated? That's something I don't understand. I
Pwede
will
namang
never
sabihin mo, mag-resign na siya, tapos bubuhayin mo na lang.
Ah, okay.
Ano ba?
And that's
Kung
life
boss
for
naman
you.
siya.
Break up na after nun.
Bakit wala
I mean,
nang offer sa
hypothetically,
akin
ah,
ng ganyan?
If
Problem
they really
solved.
want each other. Oo.
Hagar ka din,
Wala
ah.
nag-offer sa akin ng ganyan ever. Nagtatrabaho pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Oh my gosh.
I've witnessed that.
Kahit yung mga asawa natin, sabihin
Like
ka na
yung
go, go.
The boss, usually they're foreign, especially in the early parts of BPO, diba? And then there's a young whatever,
Front
diba?
desk.
After that,
Just kidding.
girlfriend na,
Oh my
pero
God.
no longer works for the company, diba? Because
Eh kasi ganun eh, di ba?
I
Better
guess
na.
that's the safest thing. If like you want this to happen, you gotta quit.
Right,
Yeah, yeah,
and then
yeah.
I'll give you an allowance ng ganyan.
Yeah.
Oh.
you work for a new boss.
And then something could backfire. Because an example, if I wanted to hit on Ro and she's my boss, and she said, you want this to happen, you gotta quit. Tapos I can say, she fired me. You fired me. Oh, look
Actually,
at boss.
Yeah, definitely. That's why be careful.
True.
So with that, Miss Nina, what can you say para lang to actually marry everything together, no?
Mm.
The management versus HR versus staff. So what's your advice or what's your words of wisdom that you could share to everyone with
Ah,
this topic?
always try and put yourself in the other person's shoes.
Yeah.
Because I always say, like for employees, diba, you need so many things, and you're coming at me with each one has their own issue. I always say, teka lang, let me manage your expectations, because you're looking at this only from your own point of view, like only, and it doesn't necessarily mean it's selfish, but you're only from the point of view of your personal interests. But I have to listen to the personal
Of
interests
everyone.
of everyone. So parang teka lang, let's slow down a little bit, and let's try to think about what it's like on the other side as well. What are the other points of view? Because when you're emotional, of course, you only think of what you're feeling and what you want and ganyan.
So in short, HR is referee.
I am in the middle of such a situation
Right?
right now.
you
People
call
fighting.
if it's out of bounds or whatnot.
Shouldn't
diba?
be. Actually, it shouldn't be. You should try to. That's something that I had a discussion with just a few days ago with the manager. Should I always be in the middle? I said no. People should learn how to navigate these things by
But
themselves.
a lot of people don't.
They don't. Yes.
All right, so with that in mind, we will be back again next week for another edition of After Office Kwentuhan.
Thanks, guys.
We like this juicy topic. Bring more
Yes.
juice next time. More juice. All right, thank you so much. So we have Eric live.